Hello Year 6. With the power of technology, I am broadcasting to you today all the way from Trafalgar School. My name is Miss Pearse and I'm Deputy Headteacher here. I wanted to talk to you today because we all know you have a very important decision coming up, and that is choosing your secondary school. Our hope is that we can give you a bit of information over the next week or so that will make making this decision much easier. Now, for those of you who don't know where Trafalgar School is, we are based in the north of the city, so North Portsmouth on London Road. You can see here two of our Year 7 students, this is Betsy and Lawrence, looking very smart and just directing you into the building, which is going to appear on the left in a second. Look how smart they look in their Trafalgar uniform. Ta-da! Here we are. So moving to secondary school is very different, and I understand it can be a little bit daunting. We all know secondary schools are much bigger. However, what that means is that there are more subjects on offer with specialist teachers, more clubs, more trips, and if you look at the screen now, you'll see some of our students enjoying a whole host of things that they study here, getting their hands dirty in food, studying art here. Loads of sports clubs on offer for you all. Don't worry, nobody was hurt in this science lesson. There's technology workshops in school. We still continue to practice the things you've worked really hard on at primary school, your English, your maths, your reading. And actually, it's fair to say that these things happen in secondary schools across Portsmouth. So what makes Trafalgar School different? People who come to visit us often talk about the fact that we are like a family. Our students and our staff here are super friendly and all work really closely together, although we are all in competition too. So our community is made up of 4 different houses. And if you are somebody sitting today thinking you already have a brother or a sister who goes to Trafalgar School, you would automatically join the same house. These houses compete all throughout the year to win cups at the end of the year, and we like to take every opportunity we can to celebrate. What underpins our community the most, though, are these 5 school values. All of the students and all of the staff take these things very seriously, and what it means is we end up with a school community that works in perfect harmony. But you don't need to take my word for it. Let's hear from some of our new Year 7.
We're Year 7.
Hi, I'm Betsy.
Hi, I'm Billy. Hi, I'm Rishi.
Hi, I'm Lawrence.
I like Trafalgar because it's a very friendly environment.
I like Trafalgar because it's very child friendly. I like Trafalgar because there's very good teachers. I was worried I was going to get lost. Me too, but all the older children helped me.
Don't worry, the older children are really lovely.
Don't get scared to ask a teacher, they'll always be here to help.
Thank you so much for that Year 7. They have only been with us for a little over a week. They fit in so quickly though, although that is thanks to the fact that we've got such an inclusive community. The older students have helped them to get to grips with finding their way around really quickly, and they're enjoying themselves. Now, they were fortunate enough to be able to come and have a look at Trafalgar School in person this time last year. Sadly, guys, that is not possible right now. However, what we have done is arrange a virtual open evening for you. We're going to be launching this on our website, and it means that from the comfort of your own home, with the people you live with, you can look around our classrooms, hear from the head teacher, learn more about the subjects on offer, and much more. We have given your school flyers for you to take home that's got all of the information you need on it. Hopefully, this Year 6 is going to make the decision for you much easier. Thank you very much for listening today, and we really hope to see you all soon.